I would say throughout my time here at Maxim, I've really been able to get a hold of a lot of intangibles that I'm able to use day by day that I wasn't able to gain in school. As the marketing intern, I've really been able to touch every part of it and learn what I do and what I don't like, so it's been really nice. My name is Miles Wilson, and I'm a rising third year at the University of Cincinnati, and I'm studying international business and marketing. Here at Maxim, I am with the marketing department as their marketing intern. This being my first internship, it was a little bit intimidating, and I would say even within my first week here, the transition was very seamless. It's very collaborative. I feel very comfortable reaching out to other coworkers that are in different departments. I would say the biggest thing that I've learned about myself was that asking questions isn't always an admission of failure. I think I've gotten a little bit more confident in myself and the way that I hold myself. Now I feel a lot more comfortable speaking up, and I feel like that my vote or my voice really matters within the team.
Our internship at Maxim was never a coffee and copies kind of internship. Really, my goal is to give my interns as much exposure to kind of all facets of marketing. I had Miles doing everything from social media to marketing analytics, sitting in on meetings of all types with our agency, helping with internal communications, and have really felt like he's not just been good at the tactical stuff, but also contributed with ideas and strategic commentary that's really helped move the company and the marketing team forward in 2025. This industry, I think, unfortunately gets overlooked as a place for professionals to land. There's arguably more value to be had in a company of our size. The opportunity for interns to get almost closer to the business as a result of the size or the type of industry is really an invaluable asset for them in the long term.